Are you guys ready for the vacation?
Of course!
Yeah, let's go. So where are we going, Sam?
Coconut Island!
Coconut Island. Let's start the vacation. Some places just don't offer a vacation. They offer a memory, a moment, a feeling you will carry forever. Whether you're dreaming of a romantic escape or a peaceful family retreat with kids, Coconut Island is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Welcome to Nomadic Explorista. My name is Suhan, and today I am taking you on a journey through one of the most magical family holidays we have ever had. From serene beaches to luxury stay, we will share everything you need to plan your perfect Phuket escape. Stay with us, the adventure is about to begin.
If you're looking for a perfect family holiday, watch this video till the end.
Alright, तो हम पहुंच चुके हैं फुकेट लगुना एंड यहाँ से अभी बोट लेके जाएगा हमें कोकोनट आइलैंड. सो यू हैव दिस बोट्स हियर. सो मॉर्निंग 10 एंड 11:30, 2 o'clock एंड 4 o'clock आप यहाँ से जा सकते हो. 5 o'clock वापस लास्ट बोट है एंड दिस इज ऑल प्रोवाइडेड बाय द रिजॉर्ट. Alright, let's get on the boat. This is the very same spot from where you get on Yona Floating Beach Club, and also for tours to the iconic Phi and James Bond Island. Just a short 10 minutes boat ride from Phuket's Boat Lagoon, Coconut Island feels like a world away. Tucked so close to the vibrant energy of Patong, yet far enough to offer peace, privacy and pure island bliss. It is a hidden sanctuary cherished by both tourists and locals. So we reached the pier now and यहाँ से हमें शटल बसेस आप देख रहे हो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 आ चुके हैं. तो ये हमें लेके जाएंगे रिजॉर्ट में अंदर. Ready?
Yeah,
Go to the resort?
but I don't think my hat is. This is the executive lounge.
Waiting here.
So this is the lounge area जहाँ पे orientation होगा, briefing होगी and then you will go to the room. This complimentary drinks and fresh towels. चलो फिर briefing complete करके room चलते हैं. room दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको.
Yes, my name is Chris. I'm the assistant to the owner.
Okay.
Yeah, but I just I would normally be talk with Vita, so you know Vita.
Yes.
She's on the way. She's here soon. And of course she will stay and accompany you for whole stay.
Yeah, we're glad.
Yeah. So, but Kun Vita and Kun Cho will be taking care and look after for you because we plan a lot of the itineraries and activities for you as well. Yeah. So hopefully you will enjoy. Yeah, and this cafe control some activity you may need or you may don't need, so we can talk.
Sure. Yeah. Good talk.
Thank you very much.
Well, thank you. Nice meeting you.
You're welcome.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Okay, this is your room key. So our 2011.
2011.
Yes, I got your WhatsApp already. I will give you message me after this.
Yeah.
Okay, ka.
She is learning Thai and Chinese.
Thai Chinese.
She go to Thai school.
สวัสดีครับโอ้ชอบว่ายน้ำใช่ไหม
Finally we are getting into our room. So ये रहा room. इसका 1 bedroom villa, pool access का. They have activities for kids. अगर आप बच्चों के साथ आ रहे हो तो बच्चों के खेलने के लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पर एंड अच्छे से बच्चे enjoy कर सकते हो. एक एक्स्ट्रा बेड भी दिया गया है यहाँ पर एंड दैट इज़ अ मेन बेड एंड स्मार्ट टीवी है एंड ये रहा हमारा pool access. Let me open and show you. This is the pool access we have. तो वो रहा हमारा रूम एंड वहाँ से सीधा हम जा सकते हैं पूल में एंड एंजॉय करें. बच्चों का वाटर पार्क भी है यहाँ पर. आप आराम से रिलैक्सिंग टाइम यहाँ पे अपनी फैमिली के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, पार्टनर के साथ स्पेंड कर सकते हो.
I really like the room, especially that they give them kids area. And I really like the outside because they have so many places to play. And also I really like that there's so many things here.
So we are all set to explore this amazing resort. तो चलिए चल के देखते हैं रिजॉर्ट में क्या क्या ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है बच्चों के लिए, फैमिलीज के लिए एंड ऑल्सो फॉर कपल्स.
Oh, you first time here?
Coconut Island first time, yes.
Oh, me too. Thank you so much. I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay. Happy time today. Welcome for chilling, relaxing. Okay, in
Yes.
Island. This the splash pool.
Splash pool.
Splash pool near your room.
Okay.
Okay. And this way the play zone for the kids.
Semi play zone.
Kids, yeah, inside have a pool for the kids.
Oh, they have a kids pool also there.
This is the Villa Lagoon. Yeah,
Villa Lagoon,
Villa
okay.
Lagoon is here for view in the evening. So beautiful. Have a sunset.
Oh, sunset, yeah.
Welcome to Bamboo Zone.
Bamboos.
Bamboo, the forest zone. This zone for gym spa. In the hotel, total the room 280.
280 rooms. Wow. Some places don't just welcome you, they become a chapter in your story, one you will revisit in your heart again and again. Islandscape by Burasari is a well-known name in Thailand. Celebrated for its picture-perfect locations, luxury accommodation and exceptional hospitality that blends local charm with world-class comfort. This stunning resort offers a mix of 46 one-bedroom to 4-bedroom sea view and private pool villas, along with 200 plus beautifully appointed rooms, all sustainably designed using natural materials that respect and contribute to the environment. Lagoon Villas treat you to breathtaking sunsets framed by lush green forest views. We are staying in a pool access villa perfect for families with kids. The pool is huge, with water slides and a dedicated kids zone that keeps the little ones happily entertained. 3 serene beaches surrounded the resort along with an infinity pool right on the shoreline, the ideal spot for a peaceful island escape. And of course, there is the spa and wellness center. If you have experienced a Burasari spa before, you will know why it is considered as one of the best in Thailand. A true haven of relaxation. Islandscape by Burasari isn't just a holiday, it is a feeling, a memory, and for us, it felt like home.
So this is we call sunrise. Maybe set for the functions, for the wedding in case of rain, or maybe they book this view for the wedding destination.
private party.
Yes, right.
So this place is mostly reserved for private guests. अगर आपको यहाँ पर शादी करना है, कोई वेडिंग करना है या कोई भी फंक्शन आपको यहाँ पे करना है, अभी डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग का बहुत थीम चल रहा है यहाँ इंडिया में स्पेशली, तो आपको अगर ऐसा कुछ करना है तो ये है सनराइज स्पॉट. यहाँ पे आप अपने पार्टीज़ होस्ट कर सकते हो, प्राइवेट पार्टीज़ भी होस्ट कर सकते हो, बर्थडे पार्टीज़ की तरह आप यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. सी व्यू देखो आप कितना मस्त लग रहा है. Oh, I love this view. So imagine sitting here, taking your cocktail, mocktail, juice, whatever you want to drink, and enjoying this view with your family or your loved ones. So we are going to have a mocktail party. How to make mocktail by kids. इनको mocktail का समझाएंगे and they will make mocktail for us. Right, guys? Going to make mocktail for us. Yeah. So now the bartender will come. He'll teach them how to make mocktails, and they'll have some nice, yummy drinks.
Enjoy.
Show. Yeah.
I like red.
Right by the beach, we have this stunning infinity pool. You can swim on the beach or choose to relax in pool with amazing view of the Gulf of Thailand. Trust me, the view is so amazing and relaxing. Sam with her friends already decided to make the best of her first evening in Island Escape. वो ज़्यादा पब्लिक नहीं है, प्राइवेट रिजॉर्ट है, प्राइवेट बीच है, तो यू गेट प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम टू स्पेंड विथ योर फैमिली, विथ योर लव वंस. अच्छे से आप इंजॉय कर सकते हो, एक रिलैक्सिंग हॉलीडे आप अपना मना सकते हो यहाँ पर. तो चलिए डे 1 एंड करते हैं विथ सम यमी फूड. रात में एकदम एटमॉस्फियर अलग ही हो गया है, आप सुन सकते हो आवाज़ मेरे बैकग्राउंड में जो आ रहा है. डिनर में देखते हैं रेस्टोरेंट में क्या क्या ऑप्शन है यहाँ पर, वो चेक करते हैं. चलिए. The resort has 3 beautiful sea view restaurants offering everything from authentic Thai flavors to international cuisine. I have heard so much about their Italian restaurant, but we are saving that for tomorrow's dinner. Tonight, we are dining at It's Everything restaurant, where the menu truly lives up to its name, and the view of the sea makes every bite even better. So in food you have Indian food, जैसे कि अपना क्या हो गया, दाल मखनी था, बटर चिकन था, चिकन बिरयानी है, रोटी है. इंडियन फूड का भी ऑप्शन है यहाँ पर खाने के लिए. बच्चों के लिए अलग से किड मेन्यू है एंड वेजिटेरियन ऑप्शन भी है. अगर आप नॉन वेज नहीं खाना चाहते हो, सिर्फ वेज खाना चाहते हो, तो वेजिटेरियन ऑप्शन भी अवेलेबल है मेन्यू में. तो अभी हमने ऑर्डर किया हमारा फिश एंड चिप, चिकन सैटे, चिकन बिरयानी एंड सैम के लिए हमने ऑर्डर किया है चिकन नगेट्स विथ फ्राइज. रेस्टोरेंट का एम्बियंस बहुत अच्छा है, सी व्यू है, आप आराम से बैठ के रिलैक्सिंग डिनर करके अपने रूम जाकर अपना डे एंड कर सकते हो. स्विमिंग करने के बाद वाटर एक्टिविटीज़ या लुक अराउंड जो भी आप करोगे रिजॉर्ट में, उसके बाद आफ्टर अ टायरिंग डे पीसफुल डिनर करके आप वापस जाकर रेस्ट ले सकते हो. व्हाट सॉन्ग आर यू गोइंग टू सिंग? Moana. You excited or nervous?
From India. All right.
Wow.
One day I know.
So sing with us. Everybody can sing with us. So hello to our guests.
After the amazing food and a very good day, चलिए चलते हैं रेस्ट लेने के लिए. मिलते हैं कल. ऑलराइट, गुड मॉर्निंग. डे 2 की शुरुआत हो चुकी है. मानसा एंड सैम जल्दी उठ गए थे, सो दे आर ऑलरेडी देयर फॉर द ब्रेकफास्ट. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए. बहुत ही अमेजिंग वेदर है आज, ना धूप है, एकदम से ठंडा भी नहीं है, गर्म भी नहीं है, एंड हवा चल रही है, तो वेदर बहुत अच्छा है. तो चलो अभी ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं. We are back at the same restaurant where we enjoyed our dinner last night, but now it's all about breakfast. This spread is fantastic with a mix of local Thai favorites and classic international breakfast dishes. Time to eat before we start our activities for the day. We have so much planned, so let's go and eat. Breakfast is ready. It is sea view. So let's dig in with some fresh fruits, bread butter. ये पोहा की तरह लग रहा है मुझे. Let's see, try करता हूँ. And omelette. Sammy का pancake. Mama is full of fruits.
Healthy things.
Healthy things, yes.
Because eggs and seeds.
Yeah. Islandscape offer a lot of water activities such as kayaking, surfing, boat rides and others. The best time for kayaking is either morning or evening. Check their website for promotions and all-inclusive packages. We already have so much planned for today and decided to skip kayaking or maybe try it next day when we check out from here. Reality is we both are scared of water. We did do scuba diving and kayaking before, but still scared of swimming in the sea. So I think swimming pool is the best place for us. We decided to let Sam play with her friends and relax on the beach, spending some quality time together. So now we are going to farm. जो यहाँ के लोकल इंग्रेडिएंट्स है वही यहाँ पे खाने में सब में यूज़ होते हैं, तो वो कैसे बनता है एंड कैसे ये सेलेक्ट करते हैं वो सारा हम देखेंगे. चलिए.
Trees here. Yeah. So this is the papaya.
Okay.
This is the organic one. That chef, our chef, he is a good person for planning everything. For the banana, it's like we will do many things here. Okay. This is for the salad.
Salad.
Yes.
Okay.
We can. Sorry.
So I take this.
Yes.
Full?
Yeah.
So much?
Yeah. We will do like the salad, or some people will do stir fry with the oyster sauce. Maybe
Okay.
like a morning curry or something. Yes.
Come on, what's that?
Tulsi, in Tulsi different version.
Be careful. Yeah.
So they try to make sure कि जो भी local ingredients खाने में आ रहा है यहाँ पर वो locally यहाँ पे grown हो and organic हो, ताकि हमें एक अच्छा सा healthy खाना मिले जब हम अपने vacation पे आए. So we have the staff जो यहाँ पे maintain करते हैं ये सब, and manager जो हमें tour दे रही है. Done.
Yes.
Farm pick is done.
Very strong.
Okay. Now we go eat.
Yes.
You cook, I eat.
You cook too.
Yeah, I cook too. I cook better.
Yeah, you cook.
Yes, he cooks
You
really
are
good non-veg.
Who is a good chef?
So we'll be doing our cooking class here. ये completely halal certified restaurant है जो कि बीच साइड है, एंड ऊपर वाला रेस्टोरेंट अलग है, बट ये वाला वो भी हलाल है, बट ये सर्टिफाइड है हलाल सर्टिफाइड फूड. अगर आप हलाल खाते हो खाना तो टेंशन मत लीजिए, आपके लिए भी खाना अवेलेबल है. वेजिटेरियंस के लिए भी ऑप्शन ज़्यादा है, बट इंडियन ऑप्शन में थोड़ा कम है, बट दाल मखनी वगैरह मिल जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ आवर कुकिंग टेबल.
And here we present puat. It's a deep fried dish with shrimp.
Now let's eat. देखते हैं कैसा टेस्ट है. My little chef and senior chef. The noodles with crunchy peanuts and the sauce.
Yeah.
So we made ourselves a fresh lunch. Imagine sitting with your family on the beach side, having this freshly made Thai food and the sound of the waves. That's why they call Thailand a paradise.
And you hand pick your ingredients.
Everything is super fresh. Every day they get the fresh vegetables, so you can eat vegetarian pad Thai without seafood, chicken, or any kind of non-veg. Then Thai green curry is also available with vegetables without meat. Instead of shrimp, you can use tofu to make this. Rice paper का जो डिश बनाया हमने रोल, स्प्रिंग रोल, उसमें तो you can just avoid chicken and crab,
Veggies.
put veggies and eat. So vegetarians के लिए भी ऑप्शन है, fresh खाना मिलेगा आपको. Now we are going to do
Thai activities.
Thai activity. What is the activity?
I don't know.
Muay Thai. Muay Thai is a boxing.
What?
Yeah, we are going to fight with each other. Come on, fight with me. Come on, fight with me.
I Not right now.
Okay, you want to dress up like a Thai boxer and fight?
No.
Yeah, we have a dress.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Muay Thai, also known as Thai boxing, is a martial art and combat sport originated in Thailand. It is also known as the art of 8 limbs because it utilized punches, kicks, elbows, and knee strikes, making it a very dynamic and powerful striking art. Muay Thai is not only a sport but also deeply rooted in Thai culture and heritage, embodying discipline, respect, and national pride. One hand covering your face, like this. Oh yes! Done? Good job. Alright, done with Muay Thai. बहुत ही exercise हो गया हमारा अच्छे से, and Sam was beating me like hell. So हो गया हमारा Muay Thai. Now let's go to spa. उससे पहले थोड़ा शावर लेते हैं, शावर लेकर चलते हैं स्पा एंड थोड़ा रिलैक्सिंग एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं। 2 दिन से बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिविटीज़ हो गए, तो स्पा करेंगे, उसके बाद डिनर होगा एंड डे 2 ख़त्म उस पर।
Nat, she will take care for you. Sorry, and Mr. Suha, this is Ning. She will take care for you for 1 hour with the oil massage we use for coconut oil. Relaxing massage for you strong, and for Mr. is
Moderate to strong, yeah.
during the massage you can enjoy therapeutic meal anytime for the pressure. Alright, okay.
Thank
For
you.
us together in one room. Enjoy.
Thank you. Let's get some massage. हो गया स्पा, बहुत रिलैक्सिंग था। एक्चुअली जो चीज़ें 2-3 दिन से चल रही थी एंड लास्ट वीक से हम बहुत बिजी थे, इट वॉज मच नीडेड, बहुत रिलैक्सिंग था एंड वी फेल्ट फ्रेश अगेन। फिर से एक बार एक्टिविटी करने के लिए रेडी, तो अभी चलते हैं, डिनर करते हैं। If you're someone like me who work out even during holidays or vacation, Islandscape has a well-equipped fitness center for workout freaks like us. Finally, we are at the Da Beppe Italian restaurant. Many have recommended us this restaurant. Let's eat and find out. So we are going to have Italian dinner tonight. Yes. Okay, कल हमने वो वाले रेस्टोरेंट में खाया था, आज ये वाले रेस्टोरेंट में खाएंगे। Hello, yeah, we'll join them. Hey.
How was your massage?
Oh, it was very good. Very good, very relaxing. You missed it, Sam. Pizza meat flour. Alright, with our mojito and Mai Tai. Yeah, it's good. She told us yesterday the pizza is very good here.
She suggested pizza.
लेकिन इन दोनों के बीच बर्ताव ऐसे करता है जैसे वो अमर हो। ये दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा आश्चर्य है।
Good night. Good morning everyone. we are all set and ready for our last day in this beautiful resort, जहाँ पे हमने 2 रात and 3 दिन, आज 3rd day है उसका, spend किया था. Before we check out, Sam wanted to play in the pool for one last time, some family time before we say goodbye. It is always fun being with her, watching her create her own little stories while we happily play along. She was a bit sad that we had to leave so soon, and honestly, so were we.
Hi guys! It's a kind of deep pool here, but I'm going to get in the shallow part. We're almost there. This is amazing. It's amazing.
As a family, we truly loved our time here at Islandscape by Burasari. I think we needed this. Life gets so busy with our daily routines that we sometimes forget to slow down. Vacation like this reminds us to pause, walk along the beach, share our thoughts, listen to each other, and celebrate both the happy and the challenging moments together. Islandscape live up to everything we hope for. A luxurious yet peaceful getaway, activities we don't usually do at home, and most importantly, quality time that brought us closer as a family. A big thank you to every staff member who made sure we felt comfortable and cared for. The hospitality here is truly top-notch, and the professionalism of the team is among the best we have experienced. And with that, our 2 nights and 3 days escape at Islandscape by Burasari comes to an end. We are leaving with beautiful memories, a wish for you to come and experience the Coconut Island for yourself. Until our next adventure, bye-bye for now.
Bye bye,
Bye-bye, thank you so much. Thank you.